gay anthem It's Raining Men has had a woke rewrite, and is now called It's Raining Them. The new version of the Weather Girls' 1980s hit will contain inclusive pronouns. Its original writer Paul Schaffer has backed the change and even helped to update it. Men has become them, whilst tall, blonde, dark and lean, rough and tough and strong and mean will now be cool, bold, strong and keen, proud and loud and hear and seen. The rewrite is raising funds for a diversity charity to celebrate World Pride Month. It is released on streaming app Deezer today. The song reached number 2 in the UK charts in 1984. Former Spice Girl Geri Halliwell recorded a version in 2001. Transgender artist Mila Jam, 32, has recorded the rewrite. Tonight she said, "It's an honor to perform It's Raining Them. For all artists in the LGBTQ+ community, I believe the future is ours. It's now, and we must shine. See whether you like it." From this, tall, blonde, dark and lean, rough and tough and strong and mean. God bless Mother Nature, she's a single woman too. To this, cool, bold, strong and keen. Proud and loud and hear and seen. God bless Mother Nature, they're a single person too.